and welcome to Talking with Alyssa. Today we're interviewing Tom here. He has a terrible disease. Every 5 seconds, he has to pee. Okay. Nice that you got that out of your system. Well, now Tom. Now that you've got that out of your system again, Tom, how did you... Why are we interviewing him? Okay, Tom, now how did you get this disease? No answer. How did you get this disease, Tom? Sounds more like a shower to me. How'd you get this disease?
I don't know.
Well, that was Talking with Alyssa. Let's give it up for PP Tom.
Mommy, are you in there?